Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add an audio spectrum to your videos in CapCut. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into CapCut. Now you want to make a new project, then select that project and drag it down to here. Now go to stickers, then press on search. In here type audio. Here there's going to be few that come up. Choose the one you like. Let's take this one and put it here. Okay, now make it the length of your video. After you have got the spectrum over here, you can now edit it to be anywhere on your video. You can put it to the side, you can put it here, 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 or here. It doesn't matter. You can even curve it. So that is how you can add a spectrum to your videos in CapCut. If this video helped, then like this video. And if you have any more questions, I'll leave a link to my Discord in the description down below.